Hey, welcome to the next episode of Unwarranted Success. My name is Warren, and I'm going to jump right into it with my next goal. My first goal was to start a YouTube channel, which we started and made a video. We're making another one today. And along that same path, I want to start living better through automation. So I do a lot of that stuff for work, and I should start enjoying some of the benefits of my own skill set, and at the same time, try to make this whole YouTube thing a bit easier on myself. It's a lot of work setting up a space and recording videos and uploading them and just doing all the stuff that you need to do. It takes a lot of time, and YouTube videos make it seem very easy. And a lot of times the videos are ultimately just there to advertise for some service that you can pay. And, yes, if you want to shell out a couple $100 a month, you can have 10 different services that make uploading videos and recording them a breeze, because you're basically not doing anything and you're just paying to sell ads. You're paying SaaS companies to sell ads on YouTube for a slight margin. It seems like a scam. So I just want to make videos. I want to make them. So I'm going to use N8N. It's a free open source software that I'm learning and I enjoy, and I'm just going to see what I can do to making YouTube videos a little bit easier on myself. So some things I'm thinking about are, maybe making an automation that does the uploads automatically, and maybe something where I can grab the transcript, or just stuff that I can use, AI or some tools that are free to just save myself some time. You know what I mean? And I'm not 100% sure what's possible, but I'm going to do a little research. I took some days off because I have to use up my PTO, so I'm going to take a day off today and dive into this project. And I'm going to make a video later today showcasing a little bit about what I've come up with. Hopefully I have an automation that works and I can start using, because what I would like to do is build incrementally on this channel. Obviously you can probably tell I'm not very comfortable in front of a camera. I'm stumbling over all my words. I'm not normally like this when I speak, but I feel incredibly weird in front of a camera, and I don't like it, and I want to get over that. And I want to just start building some sensible stuff. And you watch these videos and they make it seem very easy, but you jump into N8N and you quickly realize that there's a lot to learn, and there's a lot that you can do, and you really need to take some time and make a plan and think it through so that you have something useful and you don't end up building something that's more cumbersome than it is helpful. So I'm going to take that time today, and hopefully I'm going to build an automation that helps me upload YouTube videos so that I can trim the time that it takes down to hopefully just recording and uploading to a cloud storage or something that can be used as an N8N trigger. We'll see, but I'll go over whatever workflow I come up with. I'll go over the steps later in a technical video and sort of showcase what I've come up with and what I've done and why I've made the design choices. And that's going to be this channel. It's just building on stuff, building on things that I can do and want to do, and trying to bridge those gaps, and just achieving some goals and hopefully creating some success out of nothing. So if you're interested in that and you want to see more, please subscribe to watch me succeed. And if not, thanks for stopping by for this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Thanks.